Welcome everybody again to another episode of Dancehall Critics. And today I want to look into the Alkaline look-alike scene. Enough people don't really have to talk about him so much, but I have to make mentioning a gold god scene. And I want to know if I'm me alone, you know, people want to know if they come in and leave a comment and help me out here, so. Scene, everybody know Dancehall Critics, you know, and Dancehall Critics want some help. Scene, because you can't tell me nothing, people. That youth and them blow gold god sound too much like Alkaline. You know so I say? Scene, now the next question lie. Is it Alkaline or is it gold god voice we are here on different record? Right now at this point I don't even know who is who, brother or sister. You saw me I say? So people don't tell me, scene, the man here blacked up, man tattoo up, although that I like him thing, you know, him light skin already, so him never have a bleach, I guess. Even though nowadays you to help start bleach, you see me? But my thing is, who is gold god? How effective is gold god? Because you not realize, you know, gold god just dropped a song like about 3 days ago. And then last night or yesterday, another one dropped. And it's a pity you don't realize, say, yo, the man sound like Alkaline and at this Alkaline. You don't realize, people, gold god a fire shot pan Alkaline too. Saying, and a him and Alkaline, me no see do after all, a remix or something. People don't tell me if me have my facts them straight. And don't tell me if me analyze the thing right. See? Now the next thing when me analyze, right, is the man I take away basically I duplicate or replicate Alkaline image. So basically in other sense right now, Alkaline pose as a vibes cartel, so to speak. See? And in other sense also, gold god the one to thief the image and go and run with it. But at the same time, gold god lyrical and blow out, you know. Him lyrical, man, me not lie. You lyrical, man, but the thing what me I worry about though, or me I wonder about, him borrow a user for Alkaline voice or Alkaline borrow a user for a voice. Or the voice of their own. And then me can't get a user for it too. Hey, Dancehall Critics, you know, man. You know what I say? People, leave a comment, man. Subscribe to your channel too, because I tell you, I keep it interesting, man. You know what I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Dancehall Critics, man. Come chat to me. So people more want to tell me, you know, see? I play a little clip and I want to tell me, because I use some evidence to back my claim, you know. Because I want to know for follow the party, follow what I say. You know what I say? Stay tuned, Dancehall Critics, you know. See it there. This is a little piece of Gold God recent assault weapon song when released. And I want to tell you, say, nobody not to pay attention, but the whole of the song are directed to blow Alkaline and Alkaline sister and him family them. You know listen to it? I forgot a real breakdown. Some more. See? Because man I talk about who in sister, first in say boy Alkaline come and go and like him a bad man. And the chopper rise and he make him locks fly out. Who have locks? No Alkaline virgin? You ain't could have called talk about Movard or whatever, but it clear, it too clear, man. Movard the sister no manage him. So me I say? Yeah man, pray it man. I Dancehall Critics in a man. You see me? And I want to know for pray all the voice too. You see me I say? Oh, it sound like Alkaline. Figure even further evidence as far as, you know me I say, just to connect the dots them from in an assault weapon song, you know, where my true jobs at Alkaline fraternity or team. Seeing? Check it. And Gold God make it clear, say, yo, all his sister must slap with too. Yeah man, she fuck around, she get slap out too. You see what I say? So, right they say, you know, you see, it does bring a different twist to the whole controversy. Now, it only leave with, for real, for conclude, say, yo, that's something here, a media publicity. Is a plan where the whole of them artists sit down and plan to do that something here. Because if you don't check the levels, people, everybody offer Alkaline. Hence, creating headline every time. You know see that? People, a dancehall critics, you know, man. And a critique, that's it. Hey, you know see war. I get even more into it. Because Gold God make another song where it no need to make no clearer than that to Alkaline. You see what I say? Now the question also lie into whether or not Alkaline are going to answer Gold God. I could see how that thing are going to really pan out as far as all the war and how much angle shot a fire upon Alkaline. You see what I say? Check it, people. Watch out.
I want to tell you, say, I make a mad clip good on them studio with you, man. And see, look at idiot boy, girl, Alkaline. Believe me, I sit down there.
What kind of this that, man? I want them something here, man.
When you use something, go so. All the Benz change color. You want to see your dirty like semi night, you know?
So even right, that's all producer get this. Lee Miller producer, and I get this too. So the whole warrior I basically create its own shape and form. You saw me I say? And in other song you too, Gold God make whole heap of bad man chat and I basically this up all Alkaline sister again. You saw me I say? So right now that thing you look all personal, because at one point me think Gold God a power with Alkaline on him do after all and then he go do another song. I don't remember what name. But yeah dog, that thing yeah, it intense man. A dancehall critics you know, I want to tell me no viewers what you think about this warrior. A dog drop assault weapon and nobody need to take on. So the dog come drop in film like a piece and I say, oh, me not wait for no time, me not even wait till I get up. In other words, me not wait for the hype to start. Me a start it. Me a fire my shot them. You see what me I say? And you can't do nothing about it, Alkaline, because you're not bad like me. You see what me I say? I saw the intro sound, yeah man, boy, the man this up. Yeah man, boy, I'm up. Intro done, man. Me I tell you, war is on. I dance our critics.
Not even the doctor can't tell me if you were in killing patient.
When Gold God make that statement there, my question is, you know, me I wonder if I'm in a league with Beanie Man, the doctor, seeing R is a figurative doctor or is just a line him use. Only a thing to consider. We don't know if I doctor Beanie Man, the dancehall king, self-proclaimed king, seeing him a direct the thing or it him a make reference to the doctor just have feud with Alkaline too. You saw me I say? It makes sense, don't? Tell me if a foolishness. I must say Beanie Man can't stop me from bust your face, Alkaline. You see me I say? People, tell me what you think. I dance all critics, I bear something. Jano, a big diss that to Alkaline, a big vendetta boss. Boy, I'm 1 year, I'm gonna respond to them something there. Man, all I say a batty boy and them thing there. You know, your man just blood clot say it. Oh, you remember how going to Bahamas? You fuck a bag of ass and you come and talk with a bag of mouth and beer thing and rare. Pussy, you get this. Bumbo clot. Hey, people, Gold God, Alkaline, how much other people? Boy, I just want to tell me, you know, people, tell me if the story where me I try build makes sense. Or they even say build. The story just kind of come clean and straight up to my face. You know what I say? And it also bring a little twist to the whole saga. Because with after all where Alkaline do with Gold God, Alkaline look alike and sound alike to somewhat. You see what I say? But it does leave with to speculate and to assume all for something. But at the same time it leave with to be in tune and to stay tuned as to what to expect next from the whole, you know me I say, eruption where I go on, everybody I try to take a shot at Alkaline. But people, dancehall critics, want to tell me what you think about that whole little pieces of breakdown here where me I try shoot basically throw a tune and make you see say yo, the war is really on from different angles and Gold God is officially at war with Alkaline. I don't know if a personal vendetta or what, but me could see it now. Yeah man, don't forget to subscribe. A dancehall critics and we're there, you know man, we're out.